Most people waste hours on fake survey apps that never actually pay. They answer endless questions, watch ads, and then realize they can't even cash out. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Here's the truth no one tells you. Some survey apps really do pay real money, but only a small number are worth your time in 2026. In this video, I'll show you the top survey apps that actually pay, how they work, and which one is best depending on your goals. Let's get straight into it. First up is Survey Junkie. This is one of the most popular survey platforms because it's simple and beginner-friendly. You answer surveys, earn points, and redeem them through PayPal or gift cards. The biggest advantage is the low payout threshold and clean interface. But here's the problem. Not every survey will qualify you. That's why experienced users focus on shorter, higher-rated surveys instead of trying to complete everything. Next is Swagbucks. This one goes beyond surveys. You can earn through shopping cashback, watching videos, playing games, and even web searches. For someone like Alex who wants multiple earning methods inside one app, Swagbucks can be a solid option. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some users combine several apps together instead of relying on only one platform. That strategy often works much better. Third is Inbox Dollars. It works similarly to Swagbucks but pays users in actual dollar amounts instead of points. Many beginners prefer seeing real cash values directly on screen because it feels easier to track progress. This is where most people fail. They expect instant money. Survey apps are usually best for earning small side income during free time, not replacing a full-time job. In a minute, I'll show you which app is usually fastest for payouts. Another strong option is YouGov. Unlike many fast survey apps, YouGov focuses more on opinion and political research surveys. Surveys can pay better, but they may appear less frequently. Jake uses YouGov because he prefers fewer but higher value surveys. Then there's Toluna. This app combines surveys with community features and product testing opportunities. Some users enjoy the social aspect because it feels less repetitive than traditional survey platforms. Now, let's talk payouts. If fast withdrawals matter most to you, Survey Junkie and Swagbucks are often considered among the easiest for beginners. They offer PayPal redemptions and flexible reward options in many regions. But here's another important tip. Always complete your profile honestly. Survey companies use demographic information to match surveys. If your profile is incomplete or inconsistent, you'll qualify for fewer opportunities. John learned this after barely receiving surveys for weeks. Once he updated his profile details properly, his available survey count increased significantly. So here's the bottom line. The best survey apps that actually pay in 2026 include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, YouGov, and Toluna. Each one has different strengths, so the smartest move is testing multiple apps and focusing on the ones that fit your schedule and payout preferences. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite survey app. And if you want more legit side hustle apps that actually work, check out the next video.